Hey, what's up, guys? Christian Gill, shit in the fridge. How y'all doing out there? I know it's been a minute, but you know, a lot of shit going on out there. Shit. Sorry. Fall is here, or in Cincinnati as we call it, because it could be 20 degrees, but it could be 80 degrees, and I don't know what the any of that means, so we're just gonna make some pumpkin shit, all right? All right, here we go. Today we've got pumpkin seeds to make this.
Christian, how's it going, buddy?
Hi, Mark.
I'm a huge fan of the show. Love shit in the fridge, right? All of us, huh?
Yeah, man, what are you doing here?
I guess you haven't been answering my YouTube comments and questions because this is, again, I love the show, but I think we definitely view shit in the fridge differently.
What do you mean we view in the fridge differently?
Well, don't ask my ex, but realistically, I don't know that all of us have the same shit in our fridges.
Okay, so you're telling me people out there don't have tomatoes,
Nope.
Cilantro,
Nope.
Parsley,
Nope.
an onion.
No. It's sprouting. There's something sprouting in the back.
All right, generally that's like your garlic. You left your garlic out too long, and all of a sudden you have green garlic, and now
It
you're...
probably was garlic at one point. Now it's an onion.
Okay.
That's how that works.
I
Right?
will give you... Yeah, no. We're here.
I signed a contract.
All right, so it looks like today we're actually going to make pico de gallo, also known as salsa fresca, which is a fresh salsa. We're going to take our fresh tomatoes. I like to use Romas, whatever's in your fridge, because that's what this is. This is Fridge Fest.
Fridge Fest.
2020.
We just got sued.
So we've got cilantro, and then of course chilies. I like jalapenos and serranos. Use something spicier like a habanero. It's not really a pico, but shit in the fridge. Do what you got to do out there. Of course, then I've got white onion right here, and then I've got lime juice for the salsa, and then, like I said, there's some shallots over here. A little. Can I help you?
Yeah, you can help me by getting out of the way. This is boring as hell. How many of you have unsubscribed? Let me do this. Is that cool? We good?
I don't know if.
Thank you. I don't know if you know this, Christian, but I'm kind of a professional. So, let's get this baby sharp. All right, everyone. Mark here, new host of Shit in the Fridge. It's about to get real great. Before I get too far in this, though, I think it's going to get real sweaty in here. Christian, can we get some music on this episode?
I mean, sure. I don't want to hear you heavy breathing over the food.
Salsa, gotta get it right now. You want it harder, get a little water. Gotta make you put that mucho de caliente. I want the grande, gotta put that verde. Gotta make you do it, want you to it, get the salsa. I want it harder, I want it faster. I wanna make you put it in the scream the oh yeah. Guacamole, gotta do chipotle. Gotta make you wanna, got you screaming cause it's salsa. Harder, faster, wanna make you scream in between yeah. Say it's salsa, want it louder, want it faster. Wanna make you do a little harder, little harder, little louder. Gonna make you scream it now. And when I'm stepping it down, I'm gonna put it to the left and to the right. I see the knife, it's time for salsa. I want the lime now, gotta get cilantro. Gotta get it in and gotta make it go quick though. I got it harder, death is getting faster. Coming up into me, gotta get it closer, water. I'm looking round now, gotta see the pound now. Gotta get it, put it down, I want that guacamole. You want it, oh yeah, no you want it fast. Cause I'm gonna get it, gonna make it last now. Salsa, harder, faster. Wanna make you scream in between they. Got the verde and the road day. Gonna make you want that, oh yeah. Guacamole, want the mole. Gonna make you scream at Freehold. Not the Negro, but the Blanco. Gonna make you want it, yeah.
Well, I guess since I've only got a couple minutes left, that was fun, wasn't it, Mark?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
30 seconds, by the way.
Oh, 30 seconds, great. Sikil P'ak.
This is really good. You want to try it?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Sikil P'ak, fall, pumpkins, pumpkin seeds, not pumpkin spice. Let's go. Well, here we are, I guess. Shit in the fridge. Sikil P'ak, pumpkin seeds, Mayan peanutless spread.
I'm impressed.
So, I mean, I'm also impressed. With a spoon, no less. So,
Look at that. It's pico de gallo. It looks way fresh. Look how colorful and light it is. This is great at parties.
salsa fresca. When you cut it the right way, it's great at parties. Right now, it's just like, painful. But
I don't want to go to Christian's parties, it turns out, then.
Guess not.
I like it chunky.
Christian Gill.
Mark Borison. I thought you were going to say my name.
I thought about it, but you like it chunky, so
Ooh, it
stay
serves
hungry.
everyone.
They sit around and cook some soups and eat bread and desserts and just get all fat and sassy.